Hello, my name is Gao Peizhe. Today, I will presentation what is website. What is website? The website is a communication tool. People can use the website to publish the information they want to make public, or use the website to provide related network service. People can visit the website through a web browser, get the information they need, or enjoy network service. About advantage, provide a communication platform. It can provide a regional interpersonal communication platform
so that people at a long distance can also interact and strengthen emotional exchanges. Improve efficiency. For example, the production of online news. Just cut the electronic text, then post it into a web page and put it on website. Play the role of leisure and entertainment. There are many leisure methods, such as music, movies, and games on the internet.
Advantage and disadvantage of website for business. What is a business website?
Commercial website. Commercial website refers to a website for profit. Around 2000, commercial websites were dug up with the internet and began to flourish into another business model. Many of the existing transaction types or business behaviors are gradually affected by this wave of networking, and the transaction mechanism is gradually transferred to the website.
Advantage of business websites.
Reach a wider audience. The first and most obvious advantage of commercial websites is that they can attract more audiences. The internet is actually used by millions of people. They are all looking for something, and some of them may be looking for you. Building a website for your business will mean that you may attract customers who should otherwise be unreachable. Your business may be a local business, but you may have the potential to sell your products or services to a broader market, whether it is people from neighboring towns, the inter-country, or even the international market. The data shows that internet shopping is still growing, so making your business online will make it possible for you to take advantage of growth opportunities and expand your business. Even if you do not intend to use a commercial website for sales, you may still want to let customers know about your business. People usually research businesses online before actually visiting a business location. Therefore, having a well-designed website will help encourage them to visit you or find your company first.
Anytime, anywhere.
One benefit of having a website is that anyone can access your business information and detailed information about your products and services, no matter where they are on the planet or at any time of the day. The internet is online 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Therefore, even if your business is not open, your website will be open.
Easy access to business information.
With the website, customers can easily access information about your business. They can view the products or services you sell, prices, locations, whatever you decide to tell them. They can find it with a few mouse clicks. Disadvantages of commercial websites. If not updated regularly, the information on your website may be unreliable. You need to ensure that changes are made when necessary, and you are not responsible for the reliability of the information content therein. We all hate spam. The internet is equivalent to spam. This is one of the shortcomings of the website. It may cause you sadness. By posting a contact form or your email address on the website, unless you use form guard or the verification code tool, you will soon find that your inbox is full of spam. What are the options available to develop a website? Register a domain name. The domain name is the name of your website. It must be unique and can convey your corporate brand. The easiest way to search and register a domain name is to visit the domain registrar. With the domain name registrar, you can register your domain name on an unusual or long-term contract. Purchase web hosting services. A web host is a large computer, also called a server, that stores your website. Some large companies, such as Amazon, IBM, and FB, own and manage their own web service. General companies only rent their servers through hosting providers.
I will presentation how to make a website.
Wix has an amazing tool that builds it for you automatically. It's called their Artificial Design Intelligence. In addition, Wix allows you to edit any of your website sections with its intuitive drag and drop editor and other built-in features. Using Wix makes building an awesome-looking website simple, easy, and fun. Go to their website at wix.com. You can create a website for free or upgrade to their premium version, but with the free version, you get pretty much everything you need. To begin, click Start Now. If you're new to Wix, you'll need to sign up. Type in your email, then type in a password. The first page asks what kind of website you want to create. For this example, I'll build a website for an online consulting company, so I'll click Business. You can build your website two different ways. One is with the Wix editor, which is a great drag and drop editor, or we can work with Wix ADI. ADI is Wix's Artificial Design Intelligence. I suggest starting with ADI since it does most of the heavy lifting automatically, and then edit your site in the Wix editor later. ADI works by asking us a bunch of different questions. For example, it asks, what kind of business do you want to create a website for? I'll type in consulting. Wix automatically populates a list of types of consulting companies. I'll click consulting firm, then click next. It then asks, does your website need one of the following features? If your website doesn't need any of them, just click skip or next. You can always add any of them later if you want. Next, we'll type in the name of our business. I'll type in James Consulting and click Next. Where is your business located? You can skip it or type in its address and click Next. ADI is gathering existing information about your company on the internet. So, for example, if you already have a public Facebook site, it'll scroll that site and add your information. However, since this is a fictional site, we'll skip this section. Next, it asks us to check our company's info. If you want to upload a photo, just click on this icon, or we can add it later. I'll add our company's email address and phone number, and then click Next. Starting to build our site. Next, we'll pick a theme or general look for our site. For now, I'll click Classic and then click Continue. ADI will begin to create your website's initial design section by section, so just sit back and relax. The purple dot is ADI's cursor and is automated. It found some high-resolution images and text on the internet that applies to the type of company your website represents. Keep in mind, you can replace your images and text at any time in the Wix editor. For now, it's just showing you how your website will look overall. I'll click this button on the lower right, which opens this list of options that will guide you to create your full website. Let's preview the site. Click Preview at the top. You'll notice that they installed a cool effect with a photo called parallax. You can change that or any other aspect of your website later if you want. After previewing